Hello Android enthusiasts! In this tutorial, we'll explore how to switch to a different ringtone on your Android device. Whether you want more personalized tones or just need a change, let's dive in. 1. Access ringtone settings. Open the Settings app on your Android phone, scroll to Sound Vibration, tap Phone Ringtone. 2. Choose your ringtone. You'll see a list of system ringtones to choose from. Tap an option to preview the ringtone. Select it to set it as the ringtone for your phone calls. 3. Customize with your own ringtone, optional. If you want to use a custom ringtone, tap My Sounds. Tap the icon in the lower right corner and pick an audio file from your phone's directory. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Android ringtone. Share this tutorial with your friends who love customization.